Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window regulator. First, gather your tools. You'll need a trim tool, various screwdrivers, and a socket set, including 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm sockets. Make sure you have your new window regulator and motor assembly on hand. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection before you begin. Next, we'll remove the door panel. Begin by locating and removing all screws, often 6mm or 8mm, hidden behind trim pieces or in the door pull. Use a trim tool to carefully pry off plastic covers and the main panel. Disconnect all electrical connectors for the window and lock switches and the door handle cable before fully detaching the panel. Now it's time to replace the old regulator. First, loosen the two 10mm bolts that hold the window glass to the regulator, then carefully lift and secure the window glass with painter's tape. Disconnect the window motor's electrical lead. Remove the remaining 10mm bolts holding the old regulator to the door frame, then carefully pull the old assembly out through the door. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Connect the new regulator's motor, then carefully align and secure the window glass into the regulator's clamps. Reconnect all electrical harnesses to the door panel switches. Position the door panel back onto the door, ensuring all clips engage, and reinstall all screws. Test the window's up and down movement to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.